Well, this is exciting. I'm back. I'm gonna start vlogging again, and I'm gonna take you guys along my day today, day in the life of a trader in the stock market. I think a lot has changed since last time you guys saw my life. I'm excited to update you, but I've got to log in to my Thinkorswim. I've got a couple trades open that I wanted to show you guys. It's gonna be a fun day. Super excited for this. So I am in ticker symbol ALAB, and you can see I'm up about 6% on ALAB and only about 1% on BX. So today, you know, between these two positions, I'm only up about 400 bucks, which I know is nothing crazy, but I'll hop inside my computer and I'll give you guys a little breakdown on what I'm actually looking at here, why I took these trades. But first, I'm gonna grab coffee, and I also got a new car, which I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, wait, hold up. I was about to go get coffee, but we just saw a huge move on ticker symbol ALAB. Check this out, guys. ALAB is down 6% on the day, and we just saw this massive pullback. Look I'm up about 10%. Wow, that was unexpected. I honestly did not see that coming. You guys are not gonna believe how I found that trade in the first place. All right, let's go. So I will say, since I moved, it has been nothing but positive. This was a much needed transition, new chapter in my life that I've been enjoying off camera for the last 4 months. Obviously, you guys have seen the educational content on the channel was different than the day in the life vlog content, but I know you guys enjoyed that. I know you enjoyed seeing what my life was like, but I'm done trying to heighten my life for the sake of content, for the sake of recording. If you guys want to watch what my life is actually like, that's what you're gonna see. You know, some days will be more exciting than others. Some days will be more boring. Right now I'm going to get coffee and I'm trading for the next couple hours. So it's like, you know, you see these day in the life vlogs out there, and if you look at the typical day of someone's life, normally they're not out buying Rolexes or watches or going on private jets. It's not quite that exciting. However, I love trading. I'm so passionate about it. It is something that I will always do and will always share with you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, right? And the ones to come. But I need caffeine. God, I love this car. It looks so good. And I am not disappointed in the slightest. I'm super excited about it. Like I said, I got it for me, but I was happy to show you guys. Honestly, this right here is one of my favorite things about this entire car. With my G-Wagon, there's no cup holders, and it's been something I've complained about, but thankfully, there is a cup holder in this car. Okay, so ticker symbol ALAB, okay, that stock that I was just showing you guys, you can see has actually rebounded quite a bit. I'm only up about 7%, 6.62% at the moment. I am trading relatively small size. You guys probably noticed that because I was trading $50,000, $60,000 a position before, whereas right now I'm only trading about $5,000 a position, and I'll talk about that. I'll talk about why. August has been a very slow month with trading overall, but I think I'll be able to better explain this if we go back, hop on and on my computer, and I'll run you through some numbers. And then after that, I gotta hit the gym, okay? I'm running really late today. I woke up with a terrible migraine. This has been happening a lot, and so I have to take care of myself, and I have to go work out. And I'm really just working on upper back and neck, because I think it's due to the amount of time I'm spending at my screen, at my computer sitting, you know, some days 10 hours a day. I've developed really bad ocular migraines, and so I'm trying to counter that with working out, physical therapy, massages, multiple times a week. So this is the new slogan, built for traders, by traders. We're building and creating trading products and solutions, and I'm the trader. I'm creating products like my software, like the risk management calculator, and packaging it and giving it to you guys. So I love this slogan. I think it represents the brand really well as we continue to grow the daily traders in this community and my mentorship group. I'm really trying to, like I said, get back in good shape. So I'm taking these BCAAs again. I used to take these. Those are just your 3 core amino acids and then just protein powder. Obviously, honestly, I'm feeling like a little not too confident, just because I don't know, I went for like a month and a half without lifting and only running and doing cardio. You know, as a guy, I think you just feel a little less confident in general if you have smaller arms. So I kind of am trying to revert to a little bit more heavy weightlifting. And then, like I said, at the same time, really trying to work on my neck, which is a huge issue. I've got about 45 minutes to hit the gym, get a workout in, and then I have to be back for power hour, which is, 3 o'clock, last hour of open market hours. That's where I'm gonna go about putting on my swing trades pertaining to one of my strategies. So just picking it up a bit here as I get onto the highway, and let's rip the gym. Dang, it is crazy how if you go literally a month without lifting, you lose everything. I could go run like 8 miles. Let's see, yesterday I did like 6.5, no problem. And then I hop in, I did 6. And normally I do the treadmill, so it's like not tracked. Yesterday I did 5.8 miles just running outside. And honestly, I enjoy running outside more than inside on the treadmill. But God, I feel so so weak. I gotta build my muscles back up, I guess. All right, it is 2:43, currently up 8% on ALAB, and then I'm down 1.5% on ticker symbol BX. $500 PNL open, it's nothing crazy, but hopefully we could get some movement tomorrow. Anyway, I'm heading back right now, power hour, a little late. I'm gonna be about 10 minutes late for my trading session, but that's okay. All right, so it is power hour. Okay, power hour is the last hour of open market hours. Got my order in right now. I'm actually about to cancel this, send another one through at 61 a contract. I don't want to chase this one too much, but I need to get this entry as it is 320. Okay, so really just trying to get filled here. Keep an eye on this. I think overall, I've made more money just getting in instead of worrying about the entries. I think the difference between, a percent or two on an entry is not the end of the world. I could get right in right now. Obviously, I could just pay 62 for these. Let's just give it a minute, see what happens. I'm pretty confident I can get a 60 fill, 61 fill. Okay, there we go. We are filled on ticker symbol GOLD. You guys saw that entry. And it looks like we just got a nice push to the upside. We're in these 3 current positions, 15% stop across the board on all of them. That means our max drawdown, if we were to lose all 3, is 2,250, whereas our upside, obviously, knowing that I will let these winners run, but if we hit that 30%, we're looking at 4,500 profit. All right, so I ended up entering a trading call out, posted this to the team over inside my mentorship. Again, one of the things I do as a mentor in this space is I allow my students to see and copy my exact trades if they so desire. Obviously, I want to teach everyone the lifelong skill of trading, but at the same time, I want to show you guys that what I'm teaching you can be applied and profitable on a weekly basis. You can see the call out here. Obviously, my setup being the pullback play, my trade management, I'm looking to play a move back down to that all-time low on ticker symbol INTC. You can see, unfortunately, we are actually down about 3% off the fill. However, stop loss is up here at the 50-day SMA. Take profit, obviously, at that all-time low, 1883. So I bought these exact contracts. You guys can see here my order fills at 84 a contract, okay, on my broker. So very excited to see how this one plays out. Currently, that means I am in 4 trades. So I'll keep you guys updated on how these trades go. This is very exciting. We've got some good action. And if you're interested in learning how to become a consistently profitable trader in the stock market, you can learn the lifelong skill, or if you don't have the time, you can join. You can follow along. Again, I post all of my personal trades over there in my mentorship. I'll put a link in the description below where you can apply. Subscribe for more, and I will see you all in the next video. Later.